Okay guys, here's the screencast for Thursday the 10th in United States Lit. Pretty straightforward day. We talked through the next couple days in class, which are primarily work days. The one assignment that was due at the start of class today is a rough outline for the rhetorical analysis assignment. You don't need to turn it in, but I'm going to be looking through the rough outlines just to get you that 10-point credit. If you scroll up here under literary terms, this is the other document that I introduced people to today. It's basically just a grid where you add in definitions and examples for various terms. The way we're going to be dealing with lit terms in this class is to break them into 4 parts, and then the terms that we're looking at in this first part are ones that we can connect with some of the texts that we've already looked at, such as the illusion that was given in Patrick Henry's speech, or the archetypes from the how the world was made, or the sky tree Native American myths, and so on and so forth. And so if you guys can just complete this by Tuesday, that's when we'll take our first literary terms quiz, which should be pretty straightforward. Again, you do not need to define the authors for the Age of Reason or Enlightenment. There's no definition needed there. You probably do want to list the examples, which would be Equiano, Henry, and Paine. The rest of the period was designed for work time, for students to be working on their author handouts, for students to be working on the presentation if they're involved in the Romanticism group, which is presenting Monday, for students to be taking their rough outline towards a detailed outline for their rhetorical analysis essay. Let me know if questions, otherwise have a great day.